Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to remove the search the web or type a URL bar from your desktop on a Windows 10 computer. So recently, Windows 10 added a search bar from the edge to the desktop on your computer or laptop. This just allows you to type anything you want and that will search the web. You can also enter URLs. Now, if you just want to remove this, it's actually really easy. All we need to do is to go over to the right side where you see the three little dots. Select the three little dots and then in the menu, go down to close search bar. Select close search bar. Now if you do this, by default, the next time you turn on your computer, the search bar will come back. So in order to actually turn it off for good, what we need to do is select the checkbox right here that says turn off auto launch, and then from there simply select yes and then close, and then that will remove the search bar from your desktop on a Windows 10 computer.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.